Anna,
Go find your present.
you put her down?
You ready?
Put her down.
I wonder what you'll see.
Do you want to go find your big present?
Find it.
What is it, Anna?
What did you find?
You got a bike? It's Anna's own bike.
Wow. Do you like your bike?
You want to ride the bike?
Oh, we might need to shorten it a little.
Oh, do I need to shorten the seat?
I gotcha.
It's okay.
It's too big.
We'll make
Daddy's
it.
gonna fix it.
I can make it fit better,
Daddy's
Anna.
gonna make it shorter so it'll fit you, okay?
Okay, now try it out. Now see if you can get your leg over it. Oh, that's okay. You almost got it. You almost got it. I guess your hand. Just really over it. Can you reach now?
Too big.
You're okay. Just is it still too big?
Too big.
Okay, let's second. It's okay. Do you want off?
No,
Okay, I got you.
it's too big.
It's still too big. Oh.